What's going on, you guys? My name is Hartley, and in this video we are going to talk about FOMO, or fear of missing out. Now, whether you're a day trader, a swing trader, or a long-term investor, this is definitely something that you are going to encounter at some point. So what we're going to do in this video is talk about what it is, how it affects us, and how you can get past it using a couple different strategies. Here we go. Alright, you guys, so FOMO can happen in a variety of different ways. Number one is you make too many trades. So let's say you've got a watch list with a ton of great opportunities on there and you decide to trade all of those opportunities so that you don't miss out on any of the opportunities. Well, that is called over trading, and that is not a good strategy. Secondly is making bad trades. Let's say you're hyper focused on one company because all of its competitors have just started to run and you don't want to miss out when that company starts to run. Well, that can lead to a very, very bad trade, and that is caused by FOMO. And lastly, when you don't make any trades and you start to miss out on trades because then they're running, that is also FOMO, and it feels terrible. I know exactly how you feel. This is how it affects our trades. Number one, it throws off your mental stability. It is not good for you mentally. It makes you question how good you are. It makes you question your confidence, and it definitely brings you down a notch. Secondly, you change your game plan. As soon as you let FOMO step in, you go away from your strategy, you go away from your planning, you go with your emotions, and you go, oh my God, I don't want to miss out on this one, and you make a bad decision. And lastly, you lose money. And so your ability to control your FOMO will have a significant impact on your mental stability, on the execution of your strategy, as well as your final profit and loss at the end of the day. Okay, so what is the answer to FOMO? Well, here is what I tell myself every single time one of those emotions enters my brain while I'm trading. This is what I say. Realize that you have already missed out and you are going to keep missing out. So any opportunity that you're looking at right now and you say, geez, I shouldn't trade on the practice account because I really want to just get into this stock and I'm worried about missing out on it, you need to get over that. You need to start on the practice account. You need to start slow. You need to start easy, because you are always going to miss out on opportunities. Now, let me just show you what I mean by that. Okay, so this is the Apple stock chart from 1991 all the way up to 2020. You can see today it's trading at $116, and the price back in 1991, after you adjust for stock splits, was around 15 cents. So it's really, really amazing. This stock has gone from 15 cents to over $116 just in a matter of 40 years, and you have already missed out on it. Now, let's say you're looking for something a little bit more short term. I totally understand. So you can see at the beginning of August here, the stock was trading at around $2.75. The next day, the stock actually hit a high of over $13. So just in a period of one day, this stock actually moved by over 600%, and now it's all the way back down to $3.12. And the last chart here is the Apple options chart. Now, what I want to show you is that these options are moving by 200 or 300% every single day. So you can see they opened around $1 and they went all the way as high as $3 here. So absolutely amazing moves. And what I'm trying to show you here is that if you're worried about a 5 or 10 or 20% move that you are going to miss out on, you need to let that go. You need to get rid of it, because there's so much more opportunity out there. And if you are looking for volatility or big moves, there are a ton of different ways to get that without feeling like you are missing out. And so how to deal with FOMO: you need to tell yourself that you missed the opportunity. You are going to continue to miss the opportunities. However, there are so many opportunities out there for you to capitalize on. You need to let it go and you need to find another opportunity. You need to understand that you are going to miss some of these. You need to get over it. It needs to go right past you, and you need to say, okay, I'm back into search mode. I'm back into execution mode. I am over this FOMO that is coming over my body. I need to get rid of it, and I need to acknowledge that mistake. And if I can, I need to refine my strategy and get better at my specific strategy and make sure I stick to that strategy so that FOMO doesn't creep back in. Now, in summary, everybody is going to experience FOMO. Whether you're a short-term trader or a long-term trader, it is going to happen. As soon as you watch a stock and you miss that big gap up, or you miss that big day and you don't get in and it keeps running, you're going to feel absolutely terrible. It happened to me this week. I know exactly how it feels, but you need to get past it. You need to let it go, and you need to find the next opportunity. You need to refine and adjust your strategy as much as you possibly can to make sure that it doesn't happen again. And if you do that, that is all you can do. You cannot let these emotions tear you apart or weigh you down for the day. All it's going to do is mess you up in the long run. And so what you need to focus on is letting it go and finding the next opportunity. That is how you deal with FOMO. Now, if you guys are interested in learning any more about stocks, I do offer a completely free course when you sign up for Skillshare. You get the first 2 weeks free, and then it's about $12 a month after that, but you can cancel anytime. So if you can do the entire course within 2 weeks, you get the entire thing for free. It's got over 8 hours of content on there. 500 students have already gone through it. And if you're interested in signing up, the link is down below. I'd love to have you there. And thank you so much. If you guys get any value out of this video, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button, and we will see you soon. Peace.